As I said, it's a boy, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching the video from and when you're watching this video. If you've been following me on my channel, you will know that I've been making use of the Quest 3 to work, to play games, and also to test some AR and VR environments, right? So I went Temu, I went to Temu and I got this, and we're about to check it out. It's actually the Headstrap for the Oculus is open. That's right, the extra for the Oculus Quest 3. Alright. Oh, it's been on. Alright, so let me just quickly. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And it's after I'm done using it, you'll see there's like if I use it for about 30 minutes or so, this particular strap makes some form of like funny lines on my head, and it's quite uncomfortable. The channel is in for a very, very long time, right? So yeah, I went online and I saw. At first, I tried ordering this from Jumia or Pasi. This is it. I tried ordering it from Jumia, but for some reason, even after paying, I'm waiting for about 2 weeks. Jumia had to refund my money. That they could not work on my purchase. So I said, let me try taking. Even though so many people have been like saying, but if my PS scam, it might be like the next wish. But I actually got this from Temu. You can see. Yeah. I'm not really into anime, but I'm trying to go into it. But I just love figures. So this is the Headstrap. It comes with like a kind of a battery, like Powerbank, whereby as you're walking or you're doing something or you're watching movie or whatever it is you're doing, you can be comfortable using it, and also you can plug this to the power source there, and you can use more hours. I've not tested it, and this is my first time trying it out. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So first thing first, I think we want to see how we can do this. I think there's a manual or something. No. I'm not sure where this goes to. Right, I'm guessing there's a manual, so I'm just click the man. Alright, so we have manual here. Dang. Okay, installation steps. This is for English. So first thing first, remove the headband from the installed. We remove the installed headband from the VR. Then insert the two hosts. Okay. And this, I'm just going to use. This is supposed to go to this particular place, as you can see, so that it can give you more headrest instead of it just being like this, just like your head is just directly on the battery. So this is supposed to give you that, that's the sheet that you're looking for. So that's one. Then also this particular one will be going to this place. So I'm just going to bring it out like this. But what we then want to do is, how do we want to then switch it? Because it looks like it's supposed to be facing this other side. Some goes, I don't know why. It's supposed to be like this. Not like this. Because this cannot go like this. That's go like this. So I'm guessing that this was placed wrongly. Yeah. I'm guessing this was placed wrongly, or we would have to find a way to like manipulate it. I'm going to get it. So yeah, I figured it out. It's supposed to be I was checking it like this, right? But it's supposed to be like this. So you can see I installed this. That's this head cushion, right? I installed it into this. Now you will notice that if I put it on, it's quite tight. And that's because apart from this being like a battery source, you could just press this, right? And just adjust it for your head. So if you're someone that have like a very, very big head, shake it, don't worry. And you just hold it and breathe in and out. Or even when you put it like this, you can just turn it like this. And it comes in. So let's say, for example, you are playing a game and you see that the strap is quite longer than what you want. You can just, instead of pressing this and trying to hold your head, you can just turn it like this, and it's fixed. And now you can see that this has been corrected. This is exactly where we want it to be, right? Exactly where we want it to be. Now the next thing is to remove the existing strap. Now the reason why I don't like this is because no one, aside the fact that it's white, it's plastic, so it's easy to clean. Because this is like a clothing material, so I have to it's dirty as it is. I've not washed it because I don't know how to just peel it off and just wash it. I don't know if you get my point. So I have to replace it, and to replace it, what you want to do is just click on this like this. Hold on, just so that I do it carefully, as you can see. So you just open it from here, just press this down. You don't need to press anything, just it comes up easily. And this part, just can just drag it out. I'm trying to pull out this particular this lid here. So I removed it finally, and just to confirm, yeah, our VR is still intact. Everything is perfect. Nothing is wrong. Yeah, quickly, let me just. I'm not supposed to do this, but let me just clean the lenses. All right, now that we have our VR just standing on its phone, you're going to then fix this plastic part of it to this part. So we're going to just do that like so. So yeah. As you can see, this is quite easy and straightforward. And we're going to do the same for this as well. So we have both sides. We have both sides well placed and clipped together, as you can see, well clipped together. And now we have an holo looking, is it halo? The halo game, right? The way their head straps look like. Now it's even heavier. I mean, it's plastic, but it has more weight because we have this attachment to it. But it's going to make it comfortable for you to like use. So for example, if I just sit on like this, yeah. So I think I need to still set some things. So yep. I want to just make sure I find the perfect proper way. Put it on. Do we have it here? Questions by why? I'm not sure how this is going to play out. Oh yeah, figure it out. All right. So now I'm tightening it from the back, and as I'm tightening it, it's perfect because before with this particular strap, right? With this particular strap, I have to always make sure that the strap is not pulling from my left and right. And you know, I'm always careful not to turn my head too much. But as it is now, this is perfect. Like, yeah, something like this. So then this can come up on my head like this. I'm just making sure every part of it is properly aligned. So guys, yeah, this is the battery there. You can stand it. So this is the controller. I'm currently in the VR space. I'll see if I can even record this. So let me just record this. All right, so we're currently in the VR space, and this is where it looks like at the moment. Like very, very free. I'm currently recording on my phone, and it feels very, very comfortable. I don't know how to explain it, but it's more or less for you to experience it. It feels really, really comfortable. Like really, really comfortable. And I can sparkle, brushes where it's not sparkle. Brightness is where I do now. So I just turn it up, turn this up as well. And yeah, I think with this I can spend. See, it's easy to just jump through. It's easy to just jump through, and you know, you're not feeling like, oh, this thing might fall at any time or stuff like that. And let's set our boundary. So I'm just hoping to set one single boundary here. Whole scale. Confirm. So I'm going to just go around and set the boundary. Confirm. So now we are in this battery environment, and it's saying something is wrong. I don't know, but let me retry. I guess it's the network. Oh yeah, we're in this battery environment, and yeah, it's mental. Yeah, it feels way better. It feels like I can spend hours, like several hours, because the weight is what's the English? You know, when the weight is being spread across your head instead of it just being on your face. With this strap, the weight is only on your face, so it always looks like you're going to be bending down like this, like it's like the equestrian is dragging your face down. But with this particular stuff, the weight that is supposed to be here is spread across your head, so it looks like you're actually putting on an helmet, right? You know the feeling of on a helmet, exactly that feeling. That's what you're getting here, but with like a PR space and stuff. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you have a Quest 3, you should definitely discard this. This is limiting you. Like, it's limiting you based on million now. It's definitely like with this now, I can even just wait and just go out and do like a live stream of okay, you know, this is how it looks like using an headset going around the street. Just like we have those, you know, when Apple released their Vision Pro and the cool wore the Vision Pro, and we were just going around and directing people and also interacting with your space. Imagine having that kind of concept here where you just go around and stuff. I think I should do that. It's just that Nigeria is where I am at the moment is quite crazy, so you don't want to put yourself in unnecessary situations. But anyways, yeah, I've like this is set up already, and dope, very, very dope. Anyways, I'm going to see you guys. Let me close. Let me turn off the. I'm going to see you guys next time. Cheers. Before we say cheers, let's test out this battery, the power bank. I want to see if it is actually working. Guys, it's working. It's actually charging. Wow. It's actually charging. So you have a power source here. And let's say you're not using your VR headset, you can just drop it and just charge it the manual way. We have a power source, so you can imagine you're playing a game but you're working on your system, like your live screen and all, and you don't want to always plug the charger to the VR headset. You can just use this. This is perfect. And all I need to do is just get I have a mobile Wi-Fi, MiFi, and just attach it to me, and I'm going streaming, because you can stream on this. You can live stream on this. You can record on this, and just be going about doing my daily stuff. So yeah, this is a game changer for me, and I'm going to definitely test it when next I'm going out. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.